Hello and welcome to the Go Programming Language course. Now, in this course, I will tell you all that you need to know about Go Programming Language. So you will be able to go from knowing nothing about Go Programming Language to being able to use it. Now, as any other programming language, we will start with the basics. Basics are very important, right? And Go has, to say the least, a very non-sophisticated syntax. So it is quite unique and you have to be kind of comfortable with it. You need to have a little practice. So we will go through all those details as you can really make some mistakes. This is very important. So we will go through them in quite a bit of detail. We will take a look at the logic, how an if statement is constructed and how a loop works in Go programming language as well. So we'll get through those basics and then we'll get to the files. We'll learn how to open one, how to close one, how to write into one, and how to create one. All about files, all that you need to know about files in Go programming language. Now, after that, we will get a bit into the asynchronous programming. Asynchronous programming in Go is called Go routines. So if you are familiar with that term, I will explain it to you in a very straightforward and simple manner. And finally, Go has a great feature, which is allowing you to create APIs. It has a sort of native support for API development, okay? So you don't need to have any plugins, add-ins, libraries, nothing like that. You can build those APIs natively on the Go programming language. So we'll have quite a large section for that as well. So again, everything you need to know about Go, you will find in this course. And with that, let's get into the course.